a man into.
I was in a call with James Charles, and he referred to me as beautiful. I know. As soon as you did, you left that call and came to tell me and Jack Manifold.
Why were you in a call with James Charles yesterday?
Just hanging. Bros, one of my boys. You jealous? You jealous?
Can we have a... Wait, what was that? An uwa uwa. What do you guys keep saying that? I don't get it. What is this? What is this? Uwa uwa shit. What is that? Dog make uwa sound? No, a dog barks. Uwa is not a... Why is everyone in chat... Okay, hold on. I gotta look this up now. I need to find out what it actually is.
Get a awa awa. Yes, sirski. Hey, Budgie, let me get a awa awa.
Bruh.
Hey, no. Thank you. Hey, whoa.
What? Ow. Yeah, I don't know.
It's all right. We had some laughs. It was fun. All good things must come to an end eventually. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Hey, like he describes me as a pawn. This is checkmate. This is it. This is the end. I suggest you resign.
What am I without you?
Yourself.
Even though for this entire server, I've always regarded you as my sidekick and the character ready to bow. I was your sidekick.
Goodbye, Tommy.
Are you still in the office?
Yeah, I haven't gone home.
Yeah.
I was about to, but then I was like, Nikki's still streaming. I've got to come and say hi.
Oh.
There's a lot of stuff below here.
Yeah, I'm really, like, I've been streaming for so long and I'm a little sleepy, but I'm so invested in my house right now.
Little leaves on the wall.
Huh?
Little leaves on the wall.
Yeah.
So smart.
Funny.
Griffin came along and...
First of all, pros and cons. Pro, my own discrete birthday.
You had your own separate birthday.
People love that about me.
Listen, he was like a shaft of light from heaven.
He didn't have... If he looked the faintest bit ill, like, if he got winded on the stairs, it was, you're too sick to go to school today.
There was a time where I thought Griffin secretly had whatever the kid in Secret Garden has, where he's like, he can't go outside, because you'd be like, no, not our wee babe Griffin. We had to, no joke, Justin and I staged an intervention for our parents.
We had to talk to you guys about how
like,
easy.
you're babying Griffin.
You're babying Griffin. You're still babying Griffin.
Do you need something to drink or anything?
I could use some appy slices, actually, if you wouldn't mind.
And a little peanut butter to dip them in?
Fucking of course I want peanut butter, Clint!
Dinner table was a constant bloody struggle.
I just want to say, when you said bloody struggle, you were speaking poetically. None of my blood has ever come out of me.
No, we wouldn't allow that.
No, it's something I'm very proud of.
Hey, I was wondering if your smile. What's that mean? Oh my god, is that from like the first stream chat? Is what as your as that your is this pure as George? Yeah. I guess. Honking me, aw, and like a sunset. The sun is a heart though. That's so cute. Punk made this? Be my Valentine. Yeah? Oh. Where's the turn off? Hold on. Oh, that's so good. Oh, Sam Nook.
Throw my troubles at the world again. All my troubles on a burning pile. All lit up in a sky. Little children near and far don't know where your parents are. Cry directly in this jar. I will drink it at the bar. Sip it on orphan beer. Sip it on orphan beer.
It's a time to be. There's no chance unless you take one seat. Side of every state